pure chaos. Meet Harry Curtiss-Wright R3350. Let's fire it up. Tractor is the end result of having too much money and free time. May we all reach that point in life. What happens when you strap an 18-cylinder monster to a tractor? B, a 2.5-ton pulling beast powered by the legend. What happens when you take a Rolls-Royce Merlin and strip off the supercharger? You get the Meteor, a tank engine with fighter plane DNA. Time to hear this beast roar. Some engines purr. This one growls like a war machine waking up from hibernation. The Bristol Hercules, a 39-liter radial beast, is about to shake the air. The power-to-weight ratio of that cart has got to be ridiculous. It's slow, it's steady, and it just won't quit. The Lister CS Start-O-Matic, designed to power through blackouts and tough times, this little legend might just outlive us all. Big, tough, and built to outlast generations. This is the Caterpillar D7, a war-era workhorse that still starts up like it's ready for battle. That thing looks more like a Soviet war machine than a Caterpillar D7. Steel, power, and pure diesel thunder. This is the EMD GT26, a locomotive built to haul heavy loads and shake the ground while doing it. No heater, no mercy, just raw diesel determination. This 250 kilowatt Alice Chalmers generator is about to prove it can handle the cold better than most of us. Those smoke rings were absolutely mesmerizing. But when it starts, you'll feel it. Harley-Davidson reveals their new lightweight sports engine for the 21st century. When a generator engine weighs 34 tons and drinks diesel like water, you know it means business. This Duvant 9VS monster is about to fire up with a little extra flame for the show. From ships to heavy machinery, the Zvezda M400 V12 diesel was built to handle the toughest jobs. Starting it up is a show of power on its own. From dead still to full throttle, this helicopter is waking up the only way it knows how. Loud, powerful, and ready to take flight. Cold start engaged. Born for the skies but always ready to shake the ground, the Rolls-Royce Griffon V12 is 2,490 horsepower of pure mechanical thunder. Forget liquid cooling. This is how you keep a Core i9 from melting. Meet the ultimate overkill in cooling power. 15 tons of metal for just 100 horsepower. Talk about heavy duty. This Sulzer engine isn't in a hurry. Let's get those rotors spinning. From a rusted, waterlogged wreck to a roaring diesel powerhouse, this Lister FR4 has been brought back from the dead. Time to see if all that hard work pays off. This isn't just a tank. It's a piece of history on tracks. Designed for war and built to last, the T-34 Chudek is about to remind us what real battlefield engineering sounds like. No starter motor, no problem. This 1913 Fairbanks Morse tractor demands pure muscle to fire up. Let's see if 25 horsepower feels as strong as it sounds.